This video will cover the topic, simplifying a quotient of square roots. The quotient rule for radicals says that the radical of a quotient is the quotient of the radicals. There are many different types of radicals: square roots, cubed roots, fourth roots, and more. In this lesson, we will only be talking about square roots.
What does the quotient rule mean?
The quotient rule means that, for b not equaling 0, square root of a divided by square root of b is equal to the square root of a divided by b. This means that the square root of a divided by the square root of b is equal to the square root of a over b. Let's consider the following example. Square root 60 divided by square root 15. According to the quotient rule, the square root of 60 divided by the square root of 15 can be written as the square root of 60 divided by 15.
What is the next step in solving the equation?
Now, we can go ahead and divide the expression that is underneath the square root sign. Therefore, 60 divided by 15 results in 4. So the expression can be written as square root of 4. Using the square root rule, we can simplify this square root to a whole number. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, the answer of the square root of 60 divided by the square root of 15 is 2.
Okay, I think I understand, but can we try an example with the bigger number on the bottom?
That's a great question. Let's take a look at the same example, but with the numerator and denominator reversed. Our example will be square root of 15 divided by square root of 60. Now we use the quotient rule to write the example as square root 15 divided by 60. Now we simplify the fraction under the square root sign. Therefore, 15 divided by 60 results in 1/4. Once we have square root 1/4, we can simplify that to 1/2.
Okay, I think I got it. So first we use the quotient rule in order to write the problem as a fraction under a radical. Then we simplify the fraction. Once we simplify, we take the square root of the remaining number.
That's great, you got it. Now all you need is a bit more practice.